Hello everybody, my name is Kirby Kwan Jr. I am technically the producer, director, and editor of this particular channel for RUCosplay operations. We would like to update you guys and give you guys sort of a general gist of what's happening right now. As of right now, technically season 1, so to speak, of RUCosplay operations has concluded. Technically speaking, it was supposed to conclude at Anime North for us, because that's generally the event that we aimed to go towards when it comes to building up our costumes and stuff. Of course, Anime North didn't exist this year, so our finale was kind of non-existent, so we just started posting clips and stuff of progress of what we would usually do in the form of the work in Vlogres, as well as our kind of pseudo podcast program in the form of the RU conferences. As such, we'll be going on break until the season 2 starts in September, so to speak. So be sure to keep up with us on our social medias to check out what other stuff we'll be making and creating. We will still be posting seldomly, sort of like intermittently on this particular channel. So, you know, stay subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. And always remember that you can dream it, make it, and become it. But, you know, to keep you guys entertained for the remainder of this video, here are some bloopers, because, you know, we mess up sometimes. Alright, so 3, 2, 1, action.
Yeah, so first step when it comes to actually picking out the cosplay is, well, picking. So this usually comes down to personal preference as well as just practicality overall. I think that's pretty much it.
I didn't know you were gonna stop.
Next step of the preparing of the cosplay is actually looking at Google Images and then breaking each down. It's
not so easy, is it?
So now the next step for the cosplay is actually looking. Alright, give me 1 second. And lastly, remember. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the content today. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. And remember, if you can dream it, you can make it, and you can become and you can become it.
So close.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
This is how we're gonna do it. Alright, just stay behind me.
Sure.
Alright, so thank you for joining us today here at RUCosplay. So don't forget, you can always follow us on, what was it again?
Facebook, Instagram, as well as YouTube.
Yeah, let's bring it back. Point at the lens, please. Don't laugh, for the love of God. Alright, so don't forget. Oh, sorry. Alright, 3, 2, 1, action. You're wasting time.
So, another reminder is that you may actually have some old clothes that you're not using anymore, and you could actually cut those up just to use them as patterns.
You mean like this?
So, another tip, you may actually have some old clothes that you're not using anymore, and you could totally cut those up and use them as patterns.
You mean like this? Yo, my bad actually wasn't aiming for your face.
So, another tip that you can use is that. Alright, rewind.
Fuck it.
So, another tip, you may actually have some old clothes that you're not using anymore, and if that's the case, you can actually cut those up just to use them as patterns.
Yo, I got you, dog.
So, when it comes to armor, you just need to make sure that when you're patterning out the pieces, that there's enough space in between the joints for proper movement.
Like this.
So, when it comes to armor pieces, on your okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so thanks again for joining us here today at RUCosplay. Don't forget to follow us on both,
Why did my keys have to be in my back pocket too.
Alright guys, thank you for joining.
Bro.
Alright. Okay, so step one when it comes to gem. Sorry. You're really not helping.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm not though. Sorry. I was underexposed. Are you ready now? Yeah. That's good.
Oh god, so what do I even say for this one? Hey guys, no more.
Hey guys, welcome to... So thank you guys for joining us today. Don't forget to follow us on IG, Facebook, and right here on YouTube. And remember, if you can dream it, you can make it, you become it.
So, thanks. I was gonna say thanks again.
Man said...
Step one, first you have to visualize exactly what the armor is gonna look like. Wow, my brain just died after I said that. First things first, you should visualize what your armor should look like. If you can't understand what it's gonna look like, then you have no idea how to go about creating it. Because that was really weird. It looked like you were like... Well, I looked at you at a certain point. I stopped, looked at you, and went back. First things first, visualize what your armor is gonna look like. Why is it so hard? You can't design something unless you... why is that so hard? Because to me, in my brain, I'm thinking the first line of just visualize what your armor is gonna look like. Done, the end. We don't need to Did you see that? Yes. Okay. I think it is just an off day. Anyways.
Alright, just stop rolling and roll it again. So the first step is to visualize what you want to make. You kind of can't make something without designing it first, so be sure to design it first so that you can make it. Let's do it again. Alright. That was weird. So now that you have your design ready, it's important for you to measure your own body. Why? Because you're going to be making this for yourself, and everybody's body is different. That's a weird thing to say, everybody's body is different. So now that you have your design ready, it's time for you to... So now that you have your design ready, now it's happening to me? Oh, sorry, count me down.
3, 2, 1, go.
Hello everybody, my name is Kirby, Kwan Jr. for RUCosplay, and for today, how to make armor template. How to make armor card.
So close, so close.
Just go.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Sorry. Hello everybody, my name is Kirby, Kwan Jr. for RUCosplay, and for today's... So yeah, as you can see, we are far from perfect. But the important thing, of course, is that we're trying to improve every single time. So remember, if you could dream it, you can make it, and then you can become it. My name is Kirby Kwan Jr., and we will see you next time. Take care. Thank you.